Hello everyone, I'm Jiahui. Very nice to see you again. Today I will introduce one very popular vertical machining center, VM1050S to you. This is new model VMC, an enlarged worktable size. Now let's go to check the details. Protection cover with excellent waterproof and easy for operation, and the machine weight over 6,000 kg. And now let's show the inside. Standard spindle is 8,000 RPM, option is 10,000 RPM and 12,000 RPM. Table size is 1,000 by 520 mm, 24 tooth ATC. XYZ travel is 850, 520, 560 mm, 36 meters rapid speed. Air conditioner is standard. Reasonable layout of pneumatic unit and automatic liberation system. For every machine, we do 48 hours non-stop running and noise vibration test, cutting test, and laser interferometer test. All the parts machined on a world-class model machine. Here is the horizontal machining center from Hector. This is the 5-axis country machining center from Zaya. And here is the grinding machine from Favorito. Here is the 3 coordinate measurement room. Our VM parts will be measured by 3 coordinate measuring machine after machined. Here you can see the worktable measuring. And here is measuring the motor base on 3 coordinate machine. We also detect the workpiece machined by VM1050S. Inspected worktable. Machine parts natural aging. VM1050S will be your fantastic machining center. If you have any question, please contact us at any time. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Jiahui. See you next time. Bye bye.